Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A04. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy A04 and you are wondering how to change date and time. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to go in your Samsung Galaxy A04 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll all the way down and then you need to open this channel management. After click over channel management, you need to open this date and time. After click over date and time, we will see this is the automatic date and time. So if you want to customize date and time, you need to off this and then it will give you option to set manually date and time. For example, I want to change the date, so I would like to make it November 10 and then I'm going to click here done, and also I would like to change the time, so I want to make the time is 3 a.m. or 3 p.m. and you can change the time and make it here done. Now you can see my phone is appear new date and time, which is really quite interesting. So it is this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A04. But this is a manual time, but I will suggest you to turn on automatically date and time. What will this help you? For example, you are in London and you went to Dubai, so your phone, whenever you reach in Dubai, your phone going to be appear Dubai local area time. So for that we will make our date and time automatically. So you need to go setting and then you need to scroll down and then you need to click here channel management and you need to click here date and time, and then we're going to make it automatically date and time. So within this simple way you can easily change date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A04. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.